Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your host Sheikh Khokhar is here. Today I am talking about how to have sin-free life. That is only possible if we know the root of the sins. So listen, what are the roots of the sin? The root of any sin is bad intention. And the root of the bad intentions are bad thoughts. Bad thoughts which are thrown by the shaitan in the heart. Be aware, shaitan resides very close to the heart. He is ever ready. When he finds the heart is empty of zikr Allah, then shaitan, throws arrows of bad thoughts in the heart. As a result of that, bad intention take birth in the heart. Heart is the king of the body parts. Now heart commands body parts to do bad actions, bad deeds. Therefore, our heart should remain in the zikr Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is our duty to learn how to do zikr Allah by any sheikh or any scholar who is expert in the area of zikr Allah. Moreover, we pick up the sin by the company of the bad friends. We have to leave our bad friends. And also, we should live in the company of the pious people so that we remain free from bad advice. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from the tricks and the evil thoughts of the shaitan. Ameen wa akhir da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalam.